Mom, our school is planning a big celebration for the 15th of August this year. I'm really excited.
That sounds wonderful. What are you all planning to do?
We're going to have a flag hoisting ceremony in the morning, and then there will be a cultural program with dances, songs, and skits about India's freedom struggle.
That's a great way to honor Independence Day. Are you participating in any of the events?
Yes, I'm part of a group performing a patriotic dance, and I've also been chosen to give a short speech about the significance of the day.
That's fantastic. I'm so proud of you. Have you prepared your speech yet?
I'm working on it. I want to make sure I convey how important our freedom is and talk about the sacrifices our freedom fighters made.
I'm sure you'll do a wonderful job. Just speak from your heart. Are you wearing anything special for the dance?
Yes, we'll be wearing traditional clothes in the colors of the Indian flag. I'll need your help to get everything ready.
Of course, I'll help you with your outfit and make sure everything looks perfect. Do you need anything else for the day?
I think I have everything, but I was thinking of making some tricolor badges or flags with my friends to hand out to everyone. It would be a nice touch, don't you think?
That's a lovely idea. We can make them together. It will be a great way to show your patriotism and spread the spirit of the day.
Thanks, Mom. I'm really looking forward to celebrating at school. It's such an important day, and I want to make the most of it.
You are doing an amazing job. Celebrating with your classmate and learning more about our history is the perfect way to honor Independence Day.
I agree. I'm so glad we get to celebrate this day in such a meaningful way at school.
Me too, dear. Enjoy every moment, and remember how proud you should be of our country's history.
I will, Mom. Thank you for always supporting me.
Always, sweetheart. I'm sure it will be a day to remember.